Don't you know
Oops, your
I'm
dad's a
fucking
buddy.
Don't you know I'm
good?
just trying to spoon?
Oh, where's my livery?
What kind of
Lucky Plucker, baby.
Fuck, you have to
I'm
be
bean
nice to me, or
machine.
else I'm not taking care of your dog tomorrow.
Wait, Patriot
Kill
beer
his
is one
okay,
of
dog.
my
them?
other
Kill
dog's gonna
his dog.
die.
Kill his dog. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
One of them's gonna die, so.
This car's sick.
Amber's not gonna die yet.
Ryan, which one are you using?
She
Patriot
probably will
beer.
next week.
Shut the fuck up.
The bean machine.
Literally talked about it.
I
with
got
my
Patriot beer, bro.
I got Lucky Plucker.
Lucky Plucker. I saw one Patriot beer.
Dude,
I
but
got
fucking-
military.
Peel.
This one's for the
Amber's turning into
troops.
Tango and Trooper.
I can't hear Clark anymore.
You can't hear. You hear me?
Oh, there he is.
Who's in
Yeah,
front?
said
Where's
fr-
our third guy?
I said Amber's turning into Tango and Trooper.
Heal.
Oh.
Oh, he's right here. I'm getting sandwiched.
No!
no! Are you fucking kidding me? Oh yeah.
See you guys.
I recovered. Let's go get him. Let's get revenge.
Let's go get his
That
ass.
Peeled-
wasn't just me.
Nah, but you got the benefit of it, so we're gonna target
That means
you.
he put money on you, Peel.
I actually bet it on myself.
What a dumb idea.
Never bet on yourself.
Always bet on someone else who's better than you. Well, I want to get more money, so if I end up winning, I'll get more money.
If you end up losing, you just lose all the money you bet on yourself.
Who cares? I'll make it back.
How many laps are we doing?
25,
5. Okay.
yeah.
You know, I got a clean
Dude, I love
lap
the
thing.
person laughs, just hauls.
Got a clean lap too.
I got
I'm
a
not
clean
fucking
lap.
hauling.
Ryan, get off my ass.
I'm coming for that booty. I'm not even gonna try to pass you. I'm trying to take you out.
You want the Lucky Plucker?
I'm killing you. I want you to know that. Oh my god, I
Ryan,
spun
leave me
out.
alone.
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you?
I barely held it.
Alright, it's fine. I don't even know what happened. I will get my revenge.
That's- You ain't the Lucky Plucker, buddy.
Alright, buddy, I'm down $1,000. I got nothing to lose.
Ajon's gonna win this.
No, he's not. We're
He
drafting,
is.
and I'm
So
in
you guys
last.
are gonna catch up.
We're gonna easily catch up. Peel, I'm hauling cheeks. It's a little slippery in this rain. What the fuck? I crashed
You turn on the
again.
rain.
Are you serious? You spun out?
It's slippery, cuh.
No, wait, this motherfucker just said, it's slippery.
Oh no!
See, that's what I'm saying, bro.
Aiden, how are
I
you
can't.
not
I just fell into the
spinning
water. I
out?
can't.
Ajon's gonna win this.
It's slippery.
Like, easily.
It's.
He's
No,
gonna.
no.
He's got no competition.
Alright. Fuck this
We
guy.
can't
You guys
stay.
will catch up.
We can't.
No, we
drive
won't.
straight.
No, we won't. Cause I'm gonna keep hit. He's about to pass me.
No, I'm not.
No,
He's
not.
literally.
He's on
Peel,
the
he
back.
just
He's
passed
on the
me.
back straightaway. No, we did not.
You can't even full turn anymore. Why is it raining?
You said it to rain.
No, I didn't, cocklicker.
I'm the Lucky Plucker, not the cocklicker.
Oh my bad. Dude, I'm spun out again. This map sucks.
Yeah, Ajon's
And
just gotta
Aiden,
play it safe.
What do you mean play it safe? He just said drive. I fell in the water.
God damn.
Peel, let me catch
Ryan
up.
can do the wall rides with ease, but when it comes to
Dude,
going
this
in
shit,
a fucking
it doesn't.
circle,
It got no handle.
last. He spun out like 5 times, and he's still about to catch me.
Aiden?
No, you.
Dude, I'm driving backwards. I'm gonna get Aiden.
Dude, I swear, Peel's gonna come by at the last second.
No,
What
you're
lap are
on the
y'all on?
turn. I'm not even one of the last.
Aiden's
laps.
really
Oh,
close
yeah,
to
I just
lapping me.
finished. I just
Yeah,
finished.
Yeah.
Are you
Ajon's
shitting me?
finished.
Are you? Oh my fucking god!
My fault, you're slow.
I spun out again. Dude, this is the worst.
I didn't spit out
I'm not gonna
once.
finish. I'm actually not gonna finish.
I
I
spun
bet
out
1,000
twice.
on myself, and I'm not gonna finish the race.
That means you get no money.
Yeah, no shit. If you don't finish the
You
race,
lost a grand.
I just gotta send it.
You'll make it.
You're fine.
Oh!
You fucked it.
You would.
You didn't even
you
need to
would.
send it.
You
didn't
were
even need
gonna
to
make
send
it.
it.
You were gonna make it.
That's so upsetting.